Om Namaha Shivaya. Here I was saying Lord Vishnu sudarshana chakra conch collected from Indian Ocean. See this 1, 2, 3 are normal collection. This is a normal collection. This is a very special collection. Very special collection. You can see number of many lines. You can see low number of lines. You can see many lines. And back side you can see the beautiful chakra of Lord Vishnu. Sudarshana chakra of Lord Vishnu. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. This is color. It's a beautiful brown color. This is a regular color available. In this also you can see number of many lines and beautiful chakra back side. By having this conch with you, definitely all negative energy from your place will be removed and your place will flow with high level of positive energy and huge success to you. So such a wonderful powerful conch. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. See, design many regular many lines. It's a normal conch. You can see more gap. This is very unique collection. These three pieces are very unique collections. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.